So, hello, welcome to Keaton's Outdoor Adventures. Today we're going to Forest Valley, and it's still beautiful outside, which is crazy. And yeah, we're gonna go enjoy it and have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoy this video, have a good time, and I'll see you on there. It's pretty up here, really pretty. Yeah, really pretty. Yeah. Yeah, really good, beautiful, you know. Yeah, go in the bush over here. No. Okay. Yeah, really pretty. Going out here in the bush. A lot of sticks here too. Could use this as firewood, you know. Come up here, you know. Yep. A lot of good areas. Yeah. Really nice. Looks like there's a hole down there, which would be nice for maybe some rodent. We go and what do you call it? Hang out there. It's really pretty up here. Yeah. Now, also my Keaton's Films on Facebook was banned because Facebook has their own set of rules I don't agree with, especially Canada. You know, we don't have very much free speech anymore because, you know, I'm not going to get into it, but we don't have as much as we used to. But yeah, Keaton's Outdoor Adventures is never going to break their guidelines or whatever. So if they try to ban me again on this, I'll just talk to them and figure it out. But there's a bird down there. I'm going to show you. Bird flew away. But we'll see if we can find another one. There's a skeleton. Birds here. Pretty up here. You know, good to relax. And if you also know, I'm a big fan of the Duck Dynasty group. And before Phil died, he would always say he liked hanging out in the bush, and it also calmed him down, which, you know, it's a really calming place. Oh, there's a lot of birds down there. But I invite anyone to come out here because it's just nice. And if you also hear me say the word physically, also, you know, it's my way of speech, so I speak a certain way. Like, I sometimes say in general, you know, like I'd but always have certain words, you know. Yeah, look at all those birds. There's one up there. Right there, you can see him. Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it? Also, you can see how mossy it is here. Moss is really good, especially when you're camping, you know. Enjoying nature. Beautiful day. Gorgeous day. Look at all those. All those birds. It's funny, it's not even spring yet and they're acting like it. It looks like spring, you know. So, as much as I love to fish and be outdoors and go fishing or hunting, I do also love to do bird watching. It's pretty fun. I love most things to do outdoors, you know. Like, look at all those. Pretty, isn't it? So, yeah, it's pretty out here. You see all these birds. It's like spring. You know, a lot of times what you should do, what we all should do, is come up here. You can see good spot to hang out and watch all the birds, enjoy nature, you know, relax. Everybody be happy, 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 I tell you what. Now that'd be sweet like candy, as I would say. As my buddy would say, you know, yeah. He's holding the camera. Julio would always say to me, sweet like candy. And we always love it. We love that, don't we, Julio?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Just enjoying nature, you know, relaxing here. Being out in nature is good. It's healing. I invite anyone to come out in nature. You know, be out here. Love everyone. Be happy. Happy. Now, you know, we're all good when we're happy. You know, enjoying, having a good time. Yeah. Just relaxing in the bush. Which, this will be after the 16th episode of this season will be the end of the anniversary 2, which will see a new season, which a new anniversary 2 will be 6 seasons for anniversary 3, hopefully. So I hope you know, that'll be exciting to do that, and you'll be able to watch anniversary 2 on YouTube mainly, but you can, it's the easiest one to watch it on. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Having a good time, just relaxing, you know, laying down in the bush. We're gonna go back pretty quick so we can get lunch, and then we gotta do some more work, you know, later on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, can't wait to make some more, and see you on the next.